Good morning, children and parents. How are you, children? Good? Okay. Yesterday I thought that you have completed your homework very well. English subject. Did you complete your homework yesterday? 3 times I gave no water interjections, give examples. Did you complete, children? Okay, good. All of you open your English books. Whichever book you are writing, that book only open, please. You have to continue in the same book. Some of the children are asking questions about books. CW ma'am or HW ma'am, this, that they are asking. Please, in which book you are following from the day one, you follow that book only to continue to write. Okay, ma'am? Put class 2, no? This one. Put today's date, 25/7/20. Day Saturday. Day also you write. Saturday, right? See, children, what are interjections? Give examples. You say, interjections are the words that express strong feelings or sudden emotions. We use them when we are happy, sad, hurt, or surprised. Isn't it? They are called interjections. Examples yesterday I have given, the examples. Examples of interjections say, hooray. Hooray. See, hooray is one example for interjection. Hooray means what? It's the emotion of happiness, emotion of joy, happiness. Hooray is the emotion of happiness. Don't write, just I'm explaining you. Examples I'm explaining you. You just follow, okay? Next. Ouch. Ouch. Ouch means what? It's an emotion of pain. It's an emotion of pain. It's an emotion of pain. Ouch. It's an emotion of pain. Hooray means it's an emotion of happiness. It's an emotion of happiness. Just I'm explaining you the examples. Okay, according to that, you will write the sentences very well, answer. Okay, na? See, next. Just you understand? Hello. Okay, hello means hello. We'll say no, hello. How are you? Hello, we'll say. Okay. This also expression of the feeling. Hello. We'll say to other person. Hello, like that. Wow. Wow. It's an expression, emotion of sudden feeling. Wow. Wow, we won the match. Wow. Wow, what a beautiful flower. What a beautiful car. So that will express like that, isn't it? Once you understand, HURRAH, hooray. OUCH, ouch. HELLO, hello. HELLO, hello. WOW, wow. ALAS, alas. Alas means what, ma? It's a different word, no? From a part of this word. Alas means what, ma? Emotion of sorrow. Alas means emotion of sorrow. Sorrow. Okay, children. See, these interjections are very, very important. And also, you have to learn all these meanings also for this. If you learn the meanings only, you will get in the answers blanks, you'll get correct answer. When you refer a blank, just you can get correct answer from the with brackets and all. Hooray, ouch, hello. Okay, you can guess the correct answer from this. Understood, children? Alas, emotion of sorrow. Please see once. Okay? Shall I rub the board? Just for your understanding, I gave you examples with meanings. Okay? Emotion, wow, emotion of happiness, emotion of joy. Okay? Hello, it's a common emotion to convey to the other person. Hello. Okay? Hello means generally, you know. So alas means emotion of sorrow. Okay? Please. Dear parents, if you want, you please take screenshot. Otherwise, no need. No need to write in the notes. Just explanation only. Shall I rub the board? See, what are interjections, children? Repeat it. Give examples. Interjections are the words that express strong feelings or sudden emotions. We use them when we are happy, hurt, or surprised. Isn't it? When we are happy, we'll use some interjections to the sentences. When we hurt, we use some interjections. When we hurt sentences, if you find out, you will just hurt sentence find out means emotion of pain. It's come under emotion of pain, isn't it? When you're happy, oh wow, like that when you're happy, hooray, that's kind of happiness. Okay, feeling, sudden feeling, wow, sudden feeling, wow. So you will use this sentences to write. Okay, ma? Now I'll give you some sentences. According to that, please write. Okay. Right, start. First one. See, I'll give you time. I'm teaching slowly only. This is the last topic that I'm teaching you. Okay. 3 sentences I'll give you. 3 sentences I will give you homework. Okay, write down. Please write. First, number 1 now. Please keep a dash here. Please keep a dash, ma. Just keep exclamation. Right. HOW how? HOW how? HOW how, ma? Write down. Finger gap. ARER. 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 YOU. You. How are you? Means what it's a question, no? Question form, no? Question mark. Question mark compulsory. Then what feeling you can write here? What type of feeling you'll write here in the answer? It's a hello. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? We'll say no to other person. When we meet some person, hello, how are you? Generally, we'll talk with them like this only, no? Hello, how are you? Write down. HALLO, hello. HALLO, hello. Here, hello is an interjection, no? Hello is an interjection. Example, no? Examples I already told to you. Hello. Write down. I'll give you time. Please write. Note it carefully. dash V 1. Write on my second one. WEV WON1 TH is the write down MAT CH match exclamation. Write down dash we won the match. What type of sentence it's we won the match. It's happiness, no? We won the match like that. And then what? Here, what is the answer? What is the answer, children? Hooray! Hooray! HURRAH. Hooray! Hooray! We won the match. Hooray! We won the match. Right, next. Dash. Dash, comma, I. Third one, go to third one, ma. Finger gap. I after finger gap. HURT hurt. HURT hurt. I hurt. Finger gap. MY my. MY my. MY my. KNEE knee. KNEE knee. Yes. See, in the sentence, what you will observe? Hurt. What you will observe, ma? Hurt. Isn't it? Hurt means what? Emotion of pain. Pain. Okay. Then what will come here? Ouch. Ouch. I hurt my knee. Like that you say, ouch. OUCH, ouch. OUCH, ouch. Please write. Please write. OUCH, ouch. Ouch. I hurt my knee. Write down. I'll give you time. Write in your books neatly and nicely, children. Finger gap must and should. K, how I wrote C. Exclamations must and should. Commas must and should. See, here capital I have given. You have to write. Okay, Nana? Please. Please write. Next one. Next one, right? Dash. I. LOST lost. LOST lost. MY PO okay book. Write down. Dash I lost my book. Not lost. Go to forgot. Forgot my book. Okay. Right. What is the answer for this? Oh, I forgot my book. Oh, I forgot my book somewhere. Okay. That's a type of sudden feeling, expression. Oh, I forgot my book somewhere. I don't know where I kept. You'll say to your friends, no? Or your father, mother, I forgot my book. Or your mom, I forgot my book, mom, today. Oh, I forgot my book, mom. You'll say. So that's a sudden feeling. Oh, I forgot my book. Okay, oh, I lost my book means it's already over. No problem. Oh, I forgot my book. While you're expressing, oh, that's the kind of expression. Oh, forgot my book. Oh, I forgot my pen. I forgot my pencil. Okay, this. Please write down. Dear parents, please take screenshot. Write down. Homework, right? You write homework. See, when you're expressing to someone, somebody, suppose somebody is there beside you, when expressing the feelings and all, what you'll say, what a beautiful rose. Wow, what a beautiful rose. Oh, say what a beautiful city it is. So your expressions are like that. Hooray, we won the game. Hooray, we won the match. Isn't it? Alas, I forgot my purse. Means it's expression of sorrow. Alas, isn't it? Forgot my purse. I lost my purse. Like that. It's an expression of sorrow. Okay. Ouch. I hurt my knee. Ouch. Yes, I hurt my hand. So that's hurt. It comes under her pain, isn't it? So according to the sentences, you just see the sentences and see the feelings, and you have to write down. Similar sentences, I'll give my own sentences. Please write. Please homework write. First one. Write down. Dash. Dash. Similar sentences I'll give you because you may not confuse. Okay, na? Please. Dash. V. W-E-V. W-E-V. W-O-N-1. W-O-N-1. P-H is the. P-H is the. P-H is the. G-A-M-E. Game. Please write. Right, next second one. A beautiful, BEAUTIFUL, beautiful dash, a beautiful car. Okay, right. Third one. Which feeling you have to write now? Which feeling you have to write? Next. Third one. I HURT, 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 hurt. MY, my. HAND, hand. HAND, hand. Please write. Very, very important, ma. Interjections very, very important. You have to say examples for interjections, miss. Hello, hooray, wow, alas, oh. So these are the interjections. Okay, examples. According to that only, you have to, which feeling it is, see from the sentence. What feeling? One means which one, which feeling it was. You have to check and you have to write the correct examples to that. Okay, na? See here. What a beautiful car. It's what feeling? It's what feeling? You have to check it and write. I hurt my hand. Previous example I have given to you. I hurt my knee. Similar to that only. It's a feeling of emotion of pain. Isn't it, ma? You have to check and you have to write, ma. You have to check the feeling over there and you have to write in the answer sentence. This is very, very important to you. Okay? Please write. And again, interjections are there, no? What are interjections? That also you write 3 times. What are interjections? What are interjections? Give examples. Again and again you practice more and more. Interjections are the words express strong feelings or sudden emotions. When these interjections are used, when we are happy, sad, hurt, like that we'll use. See, happy feeling, we'll use interjection. Whether it is sad feeling, we'll use an interjection there. Isn't it? So like that, when we are surprised, we'll use the interjection there. According to the meaning of the sentence, you follow the interjection and put it in the blank. Okay, what type of feeling it is, what type of thing it was, what feeling it was. You just think over and you have to fix in the blank. Okay, just go through the textbook and you just learn. If you learn this definition or interjection definition examples only, then only you will get this sentence. Okay, please try it more and more at home. Please try to write 3 times here what are interjections, give examples, and do this homework 3 times. Very, very important, ma. Again, I am giving you homework because interjections are very important and you write. Exclamations compulsory, you have to keep that sentence. Please write. Next, March class will start, children. Please get ready with your books and all. Okay? Please, dear parents, please take screenshot there. Okay, children, please write down neatly and do your homeworks well. Okay, ma? Thank you.